Happy May Day, comrades. What's a tree without its leaves? You know it's mighty poor. And that tree's trunk without all those limbs, I think you know the score. Picture a beach without grains of sand, those millions upon the shore. It's nothing but a hard rock slate that no one can enjoy. So you needs to be in the union. You needs to be in the union, 'cause without you it's N-I-O-N, and that means nothing. Picture a hand without a thumb, or 4 fingers for that matter, or that strong arm without a strong hand. You know there's nothing sadder.